Good morning, everyone. We will be doing further questions from the exercise 3.6. Yesterday we have done till question number 7. So today we will be doing further questions from this exercise. Our first question in this one is question number 8. And the question is, prove. What we have to do? Prove. Cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 3x plus cos x equal to 4 cos x cos 2x cos 4x. This we have to prove. Here we can use the formula LHS we can take. We will be taking these two first and these two. Cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos 7x plus 5x by 2 into cos 7x minus 5x by 2 plus the same thing we will be doing here. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now this one is equal to 2. This is 12 by 2 means cos 6x. This is 7x minus 5x. 2x. 2x by 2 means cos x plus 2 cos 4x by 2 is 2x and this is cos 2x by 2 means cos x. What is common in these two? 2 cos x. What is left? Cos 6x plus cos 2x. This is 2 cos C plus cos D. Cos 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x by 2. And this is 2 cos x into 2 cos 8 by 2 4x and cos 4 by 2 2x. We can rewrite it again. 4 cos x cos 2x This was the first question. Second and third parts are like this only. You have to use the same formula. Now we will be doing the fourth part. The fourth part says cos x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 4x sin 7x by 2. This one we have to do. We cannot use the formula here. Why? Because we are not having 2 with this and 2. So what we do, we take 2 out and multiply 2 to this and this. So it will be 2 cos x by 2 minus what it will be, 2 cos 3x cos 9x by 2. This one we have got. Now we can apply formula in this and in this as well. So here the formula will be 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b by 2 cos x plus x by 2 plus cos x minus x by 2 minus, now here we can have the formula cos 3x plus 9x by 2 into we can put it like this, this one we have got, this equal to 1 by 2, this is cos 3x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2 minus cos, this is 6x and this is cos minus theta is also cos theta. So here we can write 3x minus this. So this is 3x by 2. We can take here, we can interchange these two. This will be good because this is bigger, so we can take this in the first instance, or you can write cos minus theta is cos theta, then also it will be coming cos 3x by 2. Now these two will be getting cancelled. We are having the formula here for cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is minus sin a plus b by 2 whole by 2. This is a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. This is there, and this equal to here, this is cos c minus c, so here 2 will also be coming. These 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. So what will be left? Minus x by 2 on plus 15x by 2 means 16x by 2 means 8x. 8x by 2 is 4x. So sin 4x into sin. This is minus 14x by 2 means minus 7x, and this is minus 7x by 2. Minus is there, so minus will come, or we can write minus 7x by 2 here. This sin minus theta is minus sin theta, minus and minus will become plus. So it will be sin 4x sin 7x by 2. Now see the question number 9. Cos 52 degree plus cos 68 degree plus cos 172 degree equal to 0. This we have to prove. Now we can take LHS. Okay, this is equal to cos 52 degree plus cos 68 degree, and this we can write as cos 180 minus 8 degree. Here we can use the formula cos C plus cos D, or we can write it this we can write as cos 60 minus 8 plus cos 60 degree plus 8 degree minus cos 8 degree. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. This is cos A plus B, and here plus cos A minus B. This is 2 cos 60 degree. We can use the formula directly, or we can write like this, cos 8 degree minus cos 8 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. We have got here 0. Now question number 10, first part. What we have to prove in this, that sin 10, sin 50 and sin 70 equal to 1 by 8. So we will be taking these two first, and then we will be taking that one. So this one we can write 1 by 2 into 2 sin 10 degree, sin 50 degree, and sin 70 we can write as sin 90 minus 20 degree. This is 1 by 2, 2 sin A sin B. So what can we have? 2 sin A sin B. Two sin A sin B means minus cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B, cos here it will be 90 minus 20, cos 20. Okay, let us check. Here cos 50 minus 10 minus cos A plus B 60 degree into cos how much? 20 degree. This one we have got. This is 1 by 2. This is cos 40 degree minus 1 by 2 into cos 20 degree, and this can be written as 1 by 2 cos 40 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 cos 20 degree. This 1 by 2 we can take out, or so it will become 1 by 4, and this will become 2 cos 40 degree cos 20 degree minus cos 20 degree. In this one we can apply formula 40 plus 20 . This will be getting cancelled. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So here it will be one by 8. Now see the third part. It is sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80 equal to 3 by 16. What can we do? We can write here sin 20, sin 60 we are knowing, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and here we are having now sin 20, sin 40 and sin 80. For sin 80 I can write as 90 degree minus 10 degree. Now here we have got root 3 by 4. Why 4? Because 2 I will be multiplying inside. And what it will be? It will be cos 10. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. 2 sin A sin B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Here this will be cos 20 degree into cos 10 degree minus, this is cos 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 cos 10 degree. This 1 by 2 I can take out, so it will be root 3 by 4 2 cos 20 degree cos 10 degree minus cos 10 degree. We can apply formula there. So root 3 by 4 cos 20 cos 10. So cos 20 plus 10 plus cos 20 minus 10 minus cos 10. 20 plus 10 cos 30, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So what we have got? We have got 3 by here this was 3 by 4. Now this is 3 by 16. Now question number 11. It is cos 20, cos 40, cos 60 and cos 80 equal to 1 by 16. Here this value we are knowing, this is 1 by 2. So what have we got? Cos 20, cos 40 and cos 80. For cos 80 I can write as cos 90 minus 10 degree. This is, here we can multiply and divide by 2. Sorry. This is cos 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2. We can take this out and we can multiply by so 1 by 8 we have taken 1 by 2 out and we have multiplied these two with sine 10 degrees. So we will be getting this one. This is 2 cos 20 sine 10. So the formula is sine Now see question number 12. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that tan degree, tan 50 degree, tan 50 degree, tan 70 degree equal to tan 30 degree. This we have to prove. We are knowing that this is sine upon cos. Tan is sine theta by cos theta. So here this we can write as sine 10 degree, sine 50 degree, sine 70 degree upon cos 10 degree, cos 50 degree and cos 70 degree. This one we can write like this. We will be solving the two separately. So here I will put a line. So I write here sine 10, sine 50, sine 70 equal to, I will take these two first. So here I will write sine 10 degree. That 2 is not here, so I can write divide by 2 and I can write here 2 sine 70 and sine 50. This one we have got, this is sine 10 by 10, sine 10 by 2, and now this is 2 sine A, sine B, so means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is sine 10 by 2, this is cos 20 minus cos 120, and cos 120 is, this is minus cos 60 degree. This one we have got. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 we can take out. What can we do here? We can multiply sine inside and 1 by 2 outside. So this is 1 by 4. We are what we have got, cos 20 degree, sine 10, 2 will be there, this one will be there, 2 cos A sine B, that is sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. We have got 1 by 4 sine 30. We have solved only the numerator. Now we will be solving the denominator. Denominator we will be solving. cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This one we have got this equal to, this is cos 180 minus 60. Cos 180 minus 60 is minus cos 60. So I am writing here minus cos 60. This 1 by 2 we can take out and we can multiply by cos inside. This is 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and these two will be getting cancelled, and this is already there. So we can have it 1 by 2. So here it will be 1 by 4. So what have we got? Here for denominator we have got 1 by 4 cos 30. So this can be written as 1 by 4 sin 30 upon 1 by 4 cos 30. These two will be getting cancelled, so it will be tan 30. So this is how we will be proving. So we will be doing till here only. In the next section we will be completing this exercise. Till then, bye bye.